Hey guys, today I'm opening this Nan surprise. I really want this one, or this one. Okay, so let's get started. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit that comment button and subscribe. If it's red, turn it gray. So first, I'm just gonna pull this open. Oh. I need to open it. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of just doing it, but... Okay, so you can see I completely destroyed the box. So here's all the surprises. Oh, and I think there's one more. No? Okay, so I'm going to start with this. Can you help me? Thank you. And let's see what I got. Ooh, sunglasses and shoes. Okay, I'm going to leave this inside here, and then we can do a little decorating at the very end. Huh? Ooh, and the clothes. Ooh, I got this and this. No. Okay, so I got this little skirt and with shoes. These shoes, yeah, and then here's the sunglasses and the shirt. Another doll. Okay, let's see what I got. She's so pretty. This is what I got. Let me just open it. And look at her. So this is what I got. Let me get her all ready and all dressed and ready. Thank you. No, Mommy, I need it. And a ripple. Mommy, can you help me with my shoes? Well, here's what she looks like. All dressed and ready. And this is it. I wish I could take a picture. Bye, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.